Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Shopify for e-commerce step by step clearly. To get started with Shopify, visit the Shopify website and click on the Start Free Trial button. Enter your email address, create a password, and add a store name. Click Create Your Store to proceed with setting up your account. Fill in your details, including your address, and then click Enter My Store. You'll be directed to your Shopify dashboard, where you can begin customizing your online store. To select a theme, go to the Online Store section on the left sidebar and click on Themes. Explore the available free and paid themes by clicking on Explore Free Themes or visit Theme Store. Once installed, click on Customize to modify the theme settings, including colors, fonts, and layout. To add products to your store, go to the Products tab in the left sidebar and click Add Product. Enter the product title, description, price, and images to showcase your product effectively. After saving your product details, you can create additional products by repeating this process. Next, set up payment options by clicking on Settings at the bottom left corner of the dashboard. Select payments and choose your preferred payment methods like Shopify Payments, PayPal. Follow the on-screen instructions to link your accounts securely. To configure your shipping settings, go back to Settings and click on Shipping and Delivery. Set your shipping rates based on your preferences, whether free shipping. Next, customize your domain by going to the Online Store tab and clicking on Domains. You can buy a new domain or connect an existing one for a more professional online presence. Then, create essential pages like About Us, Contact, and Privacy Policy under the Online Store section. Click on Pages and then the Add Page button to create each page individually. Ensure your navigation is user-friendly by organizing your menus in the navigation section under Online Store. Once everything looks good, preview your store by clicking on the eye icon next to the Online Store option. When you're satisfied, launch your store by selecting Remove Password in the Online Store settings. Finally, promote your store through social media, email marketing, and SEO strategies to attract customers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.